Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo K13X 5G smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the corner to open any of these applications. There's a gesture for this. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. There you will see the option of icon pull down gesture. Click on this and then enable this. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can swipe up from either side like this. It will bring all the application around your thumb. Select the application you want to open, then it will open it for you. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Open the first application and then swipe up by using three fingers like this. Now select the second application you want to use. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen. You can change your control panel style. Right now you have the together one. Whenever you will swipe down, it will open your notification center and your control center together. But if you want to change this, then click on these three dots and then select customize quick settings. From here select split. Now whenever you will open your control center, it will give you the control center and notification bar separately. If you will swipe down from the right side, it will open your control center, and if you will swipe down from the left side, it will open your notification centers. You can also switch like this. You can enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen a feature. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. Firstly, enable double tap to lock, scroll down, and then enable double tap to turn screen on or off. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can double tap on the blank area, then it will lock your smartphone, and if you will double tap on the locked screen, then it will wake your screen up. If you want to monitor your real-time network speed, then you don't have to download any third-party app. Simply open your settings, select notification and quick settings. From here select status bar and enable real-time network speed, then it will start showing your internet speed in the status bar. From the same status bar settings, you can also change the battery percentage styles. You can select vertical, loop or do not show. When you are on home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your notification center. There's a gesture for that. Tap and hold on the home screen and then select more. Scroll down. There you will see the option of swipe down on home screen. Click on this and then select notification and quick settings. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down from the empty area like this, then it will open your control center. You can customize the shape and size of the icons that you have in your smartphone. To do that, open your settings, select wallpaper and style, and then select icons. From here you can select different styles. You can also change the shape from here. After this, click on apply. You can also increase or decrease the size of the icons from here. You can also increase or decrease the size of app's name. After this, simply click on apply, then it will change the icon shape, size, etc. as per your preference. You can make clone or dual of any application in the smartphone. Open your settings, scroll down, select apps, and then select app cloner. Click on agree and continue. Firstly, it will show the Messenger application. If you want another application, then select other apps. From here, it will show you all the applications that you have in your smartphone. Select the app you want to clone and then enable create app clone. It will take few seconds. After that, it will make the dual of that application. As you can see, I have two Amazons now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. If you use your phone at night a lot, then the next two features are specially for you. Open your settings, select display and brightness. The first one is dark theme. If you will enable this, then it will turn all the white colors into black color. This feature will decrease the pressure on your eyes. And the second one is eye comfort. Click on this and then enable this. This will warm the color of your screen. This is also to protect your eyes. You can also adjust the intensity from here. So if you use your phone at night a lot, then you can use these two features to protect your eyes. In the same display and brightness feature, you can adjust the size of the fonts and the weight of the font from here. Select any of these and then click on apply. You can also change the display size from here. So if you're giving this phone to an elderly person, then you can change these font size and display size. This phone comes with a lot of screen of gestures. You can open your favorite application even when your phone is locked. To do that, open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility and convenience, scroll down and then select gesture and motions. Select screen of gestures. You can use this draw and O to open the camera. Enable this. Now when your phone is locked, you can simply draw an O, then it will directly open the camera application for you. The next one is draw a V to turn torch on or off. Enable this, and now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw a V, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you draw it again, then it will turn it off. You can also control your media player. Simply enable this. Now you can play the previous song by drawing this, play the next song by playing this, and play or pause your music by drawing two lines like this. You can also customize any of your favorite application to these letters and symbols. For example, I'm enabling it for draw W. Click on this and then select open app. Select your favorite application from here. And now whenever your phone is locked, you can simply draw that letter and then it will open that application for you. If you long press the power button, then it will launch the voice assistant instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it to power menu, then open your settings, scroll down, select accessibility and convenience, again scroll down and then select power button. Click on press and hold power button and then select power menu. Now whenever you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. But if you want to keep this as your digital assistant, now if you want to launch your power menu, then you can press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will open your power menu. If you want to increase the lifespan of your phone's battery, then enable the next feature. Open your settings, select battery and then select battery health. From here, enable smart charging. What it does, it will charge your phone up to 80% with normal speed, then take a little bit extra time to charge your phone fully. With the help of this feature, you can increase the battery life of your smartphone. If you're using 3-button navigation and you want to change the order of these 3 buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then open your settings, scroll down to the bottom and then select system and update. Select system navigation. From here, you can change the order of these 3 buttons, or if you want to set gesture navigation, then select gestures. Click on cancel. Now you can go back like this, open your recent application like this, and jump to your home screen like this. If you like to multitask in your smartphone, then you will love the next feature. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience. There you will see the option of smart sidebar. Click on this and then enable this. It will start showing a transparent bar on the right side of your screen. To open this, simply swipe to the left like this. Click on get started. By default, it has some application. If you want to edit this, then click on edit. From here, you can remove unnecessary application or add your favorite or most usable application. After this, click on done. Now whenever you will open any app or tool from here, it will open it in floating window just like this. You can resize it from the corners like this, drag and drop it anywhere. You can also minimize it just like your desktop and your computer. Keep on using your smartphone, and whenever you want that application again, then simply tap on that icon. So if you like to multitask, then this feature can be really helpful for you. If you want to open any application in floating window, then open that app, put it in recent tab and then click on these 3 dots. There you will see the option of floating window. Click on this and it will open that application in floating window. There's a handy feature to turn on your flashlight. Open your settings, select accessibility and convenience, select gesture and motions, and then enable turn torch on or off with volume button. Now whenever your screen is off, you can simply long press the volume down button, then it will turn on the flashlight, and if you long press it again, then it will turn it off. You can also change the transition effect on the home screen. To do that, tap and hold on the home screen and then select transitions. Here you have cool looking transitions. Select your favorite one and then click on apply. You can even change the name of any app. To do that, tap and hold on that application and then click on edit. From here you can change the name of any application like this. These were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Oppo K13X 5G smartphone. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and let us know in the comment section which feature you like the most. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.